Hi, my name is Simpiwe. I'm the founder and director of Ngux Holdings. Ngux Holdings is a business consultant which offers business administrative, tax consulting, auditing, and project management. We assist the local companies, most cases with safety file and legal compliances. The companies that want to do the vendor registration with Sibanye, we assist them with the legal compliances. On the 16th June 2025, we attended the Youth Trapine Summit hosted by Leruo Foundation at Hoyo Hoyo. So Ngux Holdings was one of the participants who pitched at Hoyo Hoyo, and we shared the stage with other business delegates who were successfully invited to pitch. So the pitch was great. I shared my slide presentation with other delegates. I thank you so much for this opportunity. To find out more about Ngux Holdings, please visit our website www.nguxholdings.co.za, and our social media handle is Ngux Holdings. Your visit and your support is much appreciated, and looking forward to do business with you. I thank you.